So I think one great thing about the asphalt industry is when we know better, we do better. And I think
Yes.
all of the owners want to know where they can improve. So I think this is a great topic to continue to talk about. So what can somebody do who has a lab and they have their safety program? These companies have great safety programs, right? They're out there trying to make sure that their people are, like you said, safe on the road. They have all these other things they're trying to do. Like, what can they do to take that next step? Where are the resources that they need?
Companies have hands-on training on safety in the laboratory so that people are not afraid, like if you're dealing with solvents, you're not afraid of the solvents, that you are trained on the PPE, on how to wear it and how to use it properly. So again, hands-on training that has to happen, not just a safety video that you see.